Hey, what's up, guys? If you read the title, then you know what's about to happen. 2014, 2015, March Madness, Upper Deck, Blaster Box. We also have here a free pack from DA Card World of 15-16 NBA Hoops. So let's go ahead and open this. This is a hobby pack, so hopefully we can get something decent out of it. Let's see what we get. Randy Foye, Rudy Gay, Aaron Gordon, Al Horford, Dragic, Robin Lopez, Thaddeus Young, The Claw, Dennis Schroeder, Mirotic, Maurice Spates, and we have a rookie card here from your Los Angeles Lakers, Anthony Brown, and an advertisement. Okay, not bad. But this is why we're here, the main attraction. So let's go ahead and open this. Hope everyone's doing well. Let me see if I can break through this. Give me a second. Experiencing some difficulties here. Okay, there we go. There's our box right there. You're not guaranteed any autographs out of this, but hopefully we can land at least one. Let's go ahead and open it. Of course, just to reiterate, for those of you that don't know, I love Upper Deck products because Jordan is exclusively with Upper Deck. You can only get Jordan cards from this type of product. So let's get started. Pack number 1. We have Jerry Stackhouse, Big Dog, Glenn Robinson. We have Purvis Ellison, The Admiral, David Robinson, and Sam Perkins. If you like old school players, this is a perfect product for you. And then also you get to look at the stats on the back. His #1 draft pick, Danny Manning, on the back. You get to also read a little bit about them, which is always a good thing to learn more about basketball players. DeAndre Daniels, Byron Scott, Antoine, Sam Perkins once again, and as we mentioned earlier, Danny Manning. Whoops, sorry for that. Okay. Grandmama, Larry Johnson. Grant Hill, one of the greatest college basketball players, followed by his best friend right here, Christian Laettner. Eric Piatkowski, shout out to Nebraska. And John Havlicek, who had a great career with the Boston Celtics. Shane Battier, Buck Williams, Bill Walton, Glenn Rice, and Stacey Augmon. Allen Iverson, Adrian Payne, Magic Johnson. Looks like we have a tournament card here. Bracketology of the Michigan Wolverines. And Vinny Del Negro. Steph Curry. These are actually, these cards actually priced pretty well. Steph Curry right there. We'll set that to the side. Sean Elliott. It looks like we might have an auto here. Michael Jordan. Oh, that'd be nice if that was the auto. An auto of Kendall Gill. Very cool card. And also happy to get the Jordan as well. So I'll put 3 cards in the good pile. And also Jim Valvano, who is an inspiration to many people, especially when he did his speech for the ESPYs. Don't give up. Don't ever give up. Jamal Mashburn, Bill Laimbeer, If you didn't know, the black and white ones are parallels, and they're worth twice as much as the regular colored ones. Michael Ray Richardson, Calbert Chaney, and Dave Cowens. Harold Miner, Def Left Shrimp, Purvis Ellison, Sean Kilpatrick, and TJ Warren. Kendall Gill's a pretty good autograph to have. I mean, he was a star in the 90s, so I'm happy about that auto right there. I'm trying to get this open. And we already hit an MJ, and we also got a Chef Curry. Big Game James. Bobby Hurley, pulled one of his autos in a previous video. Shaquille O'Neal. Shaq Daddy. James Harden, looking good with that facial hair right there. And Alex English. Michael Jeffrey Jordan. So that's my second Jordan card. David Thompson, he's the one who actually introduced Jordan during the Hall of Fame. We have John Havlicek, Allen Iverson, the answer, and Penny Hardaway. Second to last pack, guys. Thanks for the view. Thanks for sticking around. Big Game. Michael Jordan, my third one. Very cool. James Young, Bracketology, Providence, and Showtime. Last pack of the break, 2014-2015 March Madness. Stacey Ogman, Larry Legend, Kendall Gill, which will go nice with my auto, so I'll put that aside. Shaquille O'Neal. And Clay Anthony Early. So let's just do a small recap, guys, if that's cool. The good cards that we have here. Let me go ahead and sort these out real quick. Alrighty then. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. Chef Curry. The base card of Kendall Gill to go right along with his auto. Thanks for the view, guys. I really appreciate it. Please continue to like, subscribe, leave positive comments down below. I'll make more videos just like this. Take care, and God bless.